So it's not winter yet, but it will be. Winter's coming, at least when I'm making this video. And I only have a couple more months to try to get into some kind of shape that I want to be in, because we're going down south a bit in January. So I know that once it starts to get colder, the chances of me wanting to do anything outside go down to about nothing, because I'm not a fan of cold. So we have a treadmill that we like. We really do. I try to go out every once in a while for walks outdoors during the nicer months, but in the winter, again, I don't do that. So we have a treadmill, which I like, but we got an exercise bike. Yeah. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to use this a lot during the winter. Not only because it gives me a little bit of variety, treadmill maybe one day, exercise bike the next day, but I'd like to get back into cycling. And I think if I can use the exercise bike to start doing that over the winter, then come next spring/summer, I'll have a lot more zeal, a lot more. There's a better chance that I'll actually go for a bike. So I'm gonna go. The box is downstairs. I'm gonna go get it. And today's video, we're just gonna show you what we bought and unbox it and set it up. This is like part one. There's gonna be a part two, maybe a part three. So part one, unboxing and showing you my new exercise bike. All right, I'm gonna say it right off the bat. It's not necessarily light, no, but one person can sort of lift it. I would probably recommend two if you're having to move it like upstairs or anything like that. On the main floor, of course, you can just kind of drag it. But yeah, it's got some weight to it. Does this extend? Oh, it does extend. That's fantastic. Can I tilt you that way maybe a little bit? Okay. Maybe a little bit more. A little bit. There we go. Okay. Maybe you guys can see it. Renfo. Now, I personally, actually my wife and I both, we use a lot of Renfo gear. It started off years ago. I got like a Renfo, like a neck massager, which I love. One of those Renfo massage guns, which I love. Then we got a Renfo scale, which is a smart scale, which is super cool. We use that all the time. And we got, this is weird, but a Renfo smart tape measure. It's for measuring like body measurements and things like that. And it's so that you don't have to actually input them. You just kind of tell the app what you're measuring, wrap it around, hit the little button, and it fires it back into the app. Super cool. So today we're gonna set up and unbox the AI powered exercise bike, model R-Q002. I'm not gonna show you necessarily, well, maybe I'll put a cut here maybe of their website, but functional threshold power training, intelligent motor, can't tell what it says, maybe dampening tech, it's damaged because of the spot here, personalized training programs, Train with certified fitness instructors, full immersion biking experience, and AI gym app compatible with Zwift, I don't know. And honestly, you know what? It's an exercise bike. So if you have like Apple Fitness or anything like that, you can use that as well. So time to unbox. And as you can tell, I'm a little out of breath. So I need to get back into shape. All right, let's unbox this. Okay, so I've got my hefty scissors, trusty. That should be all I need. It does say right at the start, right? That. All right, so it does say right in the beginning here. Is that right side up? There it is. Please keep your packaging if you want to return it. So you do get your tools. You get some tools in there. So it looks like it should be fairly easy. It's just a plug-in, a couple Allen keys, a couple different size, two different size, looks like Allen bolts, and a wrench. And I think that's it. Plus a manual. It looks like it has a QR code so that you and I can maybe download the app. This was the easy part. Hard part's coming. Now it does say here that I've already completely screwed this up. You guys, I don't know if you can read this. Number one, 2 people to unbox it together. That's number 1. Yeah. Secondly, turn the box upside down and follow the unboxing setup on the bottom of the box. I'm pretty sure that's the bottom. So I'm gonna flip it over. We'll try this again. So I'm here to screw things up so that you don't. Yeah. All right. So it does have little things. Make sure the side of the box is upward. Open the box, turn the box upside down, lift, place the foam horizontally, and take out the attachments. Okay. So I did open, but I didn't put the paneling down right. Hold on. So remember, do as I say, not as I do. Yeah. Once you figure out the instructions, easy. Easy. There, can you see it? That's kind of it right there. Now it says lay it flat and pull off all the packaging. So my guess is we're gonna take it down this way. Yes? Okay. So it is doable with one person. I'm gonna go down on the floor now. Okay, so simple thing now is we're just gonna kind of remove all the styrofoam from it and put it together. So far the hardest part is reading the instructions. So if you're like me and you don't like reading instructions, that could be an issue. So I'm gonna take this all apart and then we'll go through the parts. All right, hold on. Okay, so there's really only, it looks like 2 pieces that you kind of have to install yourself. Number 1 is going to be the pedals, so they just come in a package here. So 2 pedals. Those should go on nice and easy. You should be able to just kind of hand tighten those to start. Secondly, you're going to get the bottom pieces. So this actually attaches to the bottom of the exercise bike so that, for one, it becomes wider, and 2 is, of course, it has that stability. So I'm gonna put these on right now and then see if we can stand this up. All right, so of course there's more stuff on the other side of the box. So you do get one of these. Now the difference, we showed you the other one. One of these this one here, you can see it, right? This one has wheels so that you can roll it. Okay, so my guess would be, I'm not even gonna guess, I'll read, wheels either go on the front or the back. We'll figure that out. And we get another box of goodies. And this one here has like the handlebars. And yeah, so it's the handlebars and the controller. So that's gonna plug into this piece here. Now I'm gonna finish setting up. I'll be right back. All right, so you don't have to look very far. If you actually look at the front of the manual, you can actually see that the wheels, right? So the wheels are on the handlebar side, the seat side, no wheels. So that's helpful, yes. And one other thing that I just noticed that they give you, it's like it's a water bottle holder. Now it should have just came with it full of Gatorade, because I already need that. I'm already tired. Okay, so last but not least, this piece. So it looks like there's cable wrapped up inside here. So this is kind of where two people or a chair might come in handy, because there's a fair bit of room. It's enough. So this is only going to go in, looks like one way. Gets a nice little snap there. And then this tucks back down, I'm guessing. Like so. Make sure it's all in there nice. Like that. And then you go have a nap. No. Then you take the 4, looks like last screws. These are the last bolts. And I'm guessing is that you're gonna put them into the height that you kind of want. Okay. Do you see the sweat? Yeah. So 2 people recommended, but it can be done with 1. Just so you can see, here's the screws right there that you kind of put in on both sides. There's a little lever down here, and this is what you can use to adjust this up and down. Now, just realize when you loosen it, she'll just drop, right? So make sure nothing's either in the way there, or somebody's holding it, or you can do it with 2 hands, etc., etc. But that's done. Pedals, fairly easy to hook in. They hook on this side right here. They hook over here, and then this just latches. So when you want to loosen it, you just push this in. When you want to tighten it, you just push it down, just like normal pedals. And then of course on the back we have the ability to adjust the seat. The seat can move up and down, as well as it can move forward and backwards. So that's also really good. Okay, that's today's video. I am going to download the app, and I'm going to set it up and try it out, and we'll have part 2 coming up probably in a couple days. All right, this is the Renfo. This is the AI bike. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to try it actually, and it's not horribly large, which is good, especially for us, because we were just trying to figure out where we wanted to put it. So it's a good size. All right, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell so you know when part 2 comes out. I will leave links down below to Renfo's website if you are interested in this. And we'll see you tomorrow. And for part 2 when that comes out, probably in a couple days. All right, guys. Later.